Hi, I'm Hao Ronglu, and today I will make a quick demo for our CS411 final job project. We are Team 67. Okay, so at the beginning, I will first talk about the stored procedure in the previous stage because we missed one stored procedure in the previous stage, and now I have added. You can see this highlight space. This one is our newly added advanced query, and the usage of it is very similar to our original one, that we will insert the restaurant ID and its corresponding order times in this year into a new table. So now we have created two new tables, and we have two corresponding advanced query to insert the records correspondingly. Okay. And then we will switch to our project and do a quick demo. So in short, we make a food delivery project, but however, we are not that good in the front end and do not have enough time. So the front end, you can see, is just very rudimentary now, but we will improve it in the future to make it a very beautiful project. Okay, so at first, for food delivery, you just want to search a restaurant, right? And here you can search a restaurant by its name or by the zip code altogether. And these two options is used to sort the result. Okay, so here I just want to search a nearby restaurant. So I just insert the zip code and type the zip code and and click search. Okay. And now you can see this list shows the restaurant list, which has a zip code 61801. Okay, so the restaurant name and address is randomly generated, so it seems a little bit weird, but it doesn't affect our project's our platform's usage. Okay, so now we can click the restaurant name to enter the restaurant menu list, and you can see that here are some dish provided with restaurant, but also you can see that it is randomly generated, so it seems a little bit weird, and the price is very high, and there is only one dish. But you can click the name to add a dish. So this works like your shopping cart, right? This works like a shopping cart when you use a real food delivery. And here show the total price. And here is also there is also a function that actually used by the administrator or say by the owner of the restaurant. So they can use this one to update the food price. For example, if they think the price is too high, they want to set it to 100, then they can use this button. So I will show these functions later. Okay. Now we just order two dishes, and then we click submit order. Okay. And now you can see that we have submit two orders. The time is correct. Yeah, the time is not. Sorry. Here should be December. Yes, the time is correct for now. And here is the dish price. Here is the dish ID, and this is also rider ID to show that which rider will send dish for you. Okay, that's great. And now we can also click the order number. You can see that we can make comments to each order. We have the rating, and we can also have the content. So for example, I think the rider is very good and the food is also good, and we can type 5 and then say good, great. Okay, and now we can update comment and rating. You can also delete the comment. For example, you make a wrong comment, then you can click the delete comment here. Oh, and then you can go back. Okay, so then I will show our next function is history orders. And you can also use the min price and the max price to filter your history orders. But here I want to use it. For example, I remember that our previous order is about 140 price, right? So we can click 140 and 150 to filter our order. Okay, you can see that now the order numbers has been much fewer, and then we can find our order here. You can see that we have just deleted comment, so we cannot find it here. But if we type a new comment, 3, just so. Okay, we update comment and go back, click history orders, and now we can see that our comment is just here. Okay, so this is a basic function of our food delivery application. You can search the restaurant, you can add dishes to your bag, and you can place the order, and you can see your order history, and you can also comment your order. Okay, so this is a very basic functions of our food delivery application. So here are two advanced feature here. So now for the administrator of this platform, you want to see that you want to see your top customers, right? You want to see those guys that pay a lot of money, spend a lot, and frequently use the application. So here we provide a feature called advanced customers. You can see that This one will show the user ID and the username, also their name of orders. So this is in the descending order of the number of orders. So it generally shows the most the customers that place the most orders on your app, and then you can treat them as a VIP and maybe provide some special deals to them. Okay. So another feature is about the advanced query about the restaurants. Now you can search the restaurants and order them in the price order. So here it just shows the average price of each restaurant. You can see that this restaurant has really high price, about $1,500 for each dish. Okay, so here you can also see the top restaurants that has the most expensive dishes on your app. Okay, so this is a very quick introduction of our Foodie app, and we will try to improve it by adding more features. For example, the payment, the riders, and also have more advanced front end. But I think we already have the basic functions, and it can work good. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for listening and watching. See you.